So for today's video, we will be making 5 easy Halloween treat ideas. Hi everyone! My name is Lerrie and welcome to my kitchen. So for the first treat, we will be making a Frankenstein's guacamole. Or I already made this guacamole over here. So what are we gonna do is frame the face of Frankenstein. We'll put the guacamole on the plate. His face, I want it to be like a square. That looks good. So we're gonna make like a circle up here. I think right about there. There you go. We're gonna make the mouth. I think that's a good one. Okay, we're gonna use this pretzel sticks. Okay, so for the mouth, I just want it to be like a thing like that. There you go. Now he has something like close to his ears. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it somewhere over here, where he's gonna have that little, and then I'm gonna put it onto the other side. There you go. Let's make the teeth, because I think the one that I saw, it has like a teeth going over there. So we're gonna use the rest of this provolone cheese. I've got it 2 square for the teeth. Then I'm gonna put it over here. Put it into the other side. I found this roasted seaweed. So I'm gonna use this for the eyes. So I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna make like small circle on this one for the eyes. We're gonna use the guacamole as a glue, and then we'll just put it over there. Okay. So for the eyebrows, we're gonna use the same thing. 1, 2. Okay, that's good. So for the hair, it's usually what they use, the corn blue tortilla chips. Make it as his hair. So we'll just put it like this, one at a time. I hope this is enough. So just put it up there. Put something like that. Just like a hair. So cute. I see some pictures of Frankenstein's where he has some stitches on his face. So we're gonna try to do that. So we're just gonna put like that. There you go, guys. Frankenstein guacamole. So cute. So for our second treat, we will be making a cheesy witch broomstick. So for that, we'll be needing cheese sticks and the pretzel sticks for the handle of the broom. First is we're gonna cut the cheese string in half. So I'm just gonna use the scissor because it's easier. And then to make the broomstick, we're just gonna press the pretzel like in the middle of the cheese stick. There you go. For the broom, we're gonna use a scissor to cut it like this. Broomstick. Our third Halloween treat is cheese eyeballs. So for that, we will be needing this Babel cheese for the eye, and I have this chocolate circles, and I have this sparkle gel red, which I think it's better, those red lines to the eyes. Okay, so open the Babel cheese. Okay, I got one. I'm just gonna line up this Babel cheese, and then I'm gonna put this chocolate like that. We're gonna use this sparkle gel to write those red lines. Awesome! Our cheese eyeballs. For our next Halloween treat, we will be making tangerine pumpkin. So of course we will be needing tangerine. So maybe I'll just do 3. We need celery. We're gonna peel the tangerine And then for the celery, we're gonna cut it, put it at the top. See, that is so quick. We're like done in 1 minute. Well, I only have 3. Tangerine. The next one we have is a banana ghost. So of course we need a banana. So I have 2 banana here. So we need to peel a banana. You don't need a knife to open a banana. Use your muscle. There you go. Okay, now we can cut it in half. There you go. Then we're gonna have a 4 ghost here. Ta-da! Like this. Ta-da! Now for the eyes, I'm gonna go get some of this chocolate that I have and I'm gonna melt it. So I can just use the microwave to do it. I'll be back. Okay, so for this one, I just put it in the microwave for 30 seconds in interval until the chocolate get melted. So this is already melted and then we can use it now. So we're gonna use a toothpick to design our banana. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna put an eye like this, like a circle. Then another eye. And then the mouth. Ta-da! There you have it, our banana ghost. There you go, guys. You see how easy it is to make this 5 Halloween tree. So what I'm gonna do with this 5 things is I'm gonna put it in this wooden cutting board and that's how we're gonna serve it. So I have 2 grapes here. The one is a red grapes and the other one is a black grape. So I can add it over here just, you know, to put a little bit more on my board. I can also add some pita chips. I think that's really good. I'm gonna put it over here. There you go, guys. We've done 5 easy Halloween treats that you can make in just less than 15 minutes or even less than 5 minutes actually. The tangerine pumpkin or the orange pumpkin, you know, we did that for less than a minute, so that's great.